archers. I'm not giving up my Saturday for balloon archers.
Brooklyn, hey, you're here. Why are you here? Not that I mind you're here, it's just...
Shush! I had to check out the party in advance to make sure it was me worthy. Not so much.
Wait, Brooklyn! The decorations are just the beginning.
Oh, I don't like this.
Me neither. Patty's working way too hard for that girl to like her.
Okay, the party will start with piggyback rides on my dad's giant robot, Big Gold Preston.
Fire me away!
Whatever.
Okay, forget that. We'll keep with the robot theme, though, with robot kangaroo races. Astounding, right?
Wrong, darling. I don't do pouches.
Of course. Duh. Sorry. Forget the pouches. 'Cause the next thing we'll have are giant ice cream sundaes.
Is that chocolate? I only eat butter pecan.